je zgodba o dveh ikonah. O predrzni avtomobilski tehniki, ki je nekoč Porscheju omogočila dirkaško slavo, ter uporniku, ki se je v ta avtomobil nemudoma zaljubil. To je zgodba o kultnem spyderju, v katerem je življenje izgubil filmski zvezdnik James Dean. In to je tudi zgodba o Britancu, ki je ta legendarni avtomobil pripeljal v Slovenijo. To je David Whita. Upokojeni ljubitelj Porschejev, hitrih avtomobilov in občasni dirkač. V nekem škotskem skednju je nekoč našel zapuščenega spyderja, ga obnovil, dodelal in se skupaj z njim iz Velike Britanije preselil v Slovenijo.
My passion has always been for speed of some sort or another, and before I took to motorsport, I was a racing cyclist and rode in a number of quite serious events on the continent. It is a fact, of course, that the Porsche Spyder has and always will be identified with James Dean and with his death at a very early age.
Whitov Porsche Spyder ni povsem originalen. Lastnik je vanj namestil 2,7-litrski motor in 5-stopenjski menjalnik. Da bi bila vožnja z njim le nekoliko bolj varna, je tudi ojačal podvozje in namesto zavornih bobnov na kolesa namestil diske. Toda Spyder kljub dodelavam v svojem bistvu ostaja preprost in zelo neposreden avtomobil. Porsche ga je pač naredil za zmagovanje na največjih dirkah svojega časa. Nemec Hans Hermann je s takim Porschejem blestel na dirkah, kot so bile Mille Miglia, Targa Florio in Le Mans. No, ta Porsche je že skoraj 60 let del avtomobilske zgodovine in srečo imamo, da se vozi tudi po slovenskih cestah. David Whita z njim prav rad zmoti spokojnost hribov okoli Bizeljskega.
$7,209 kilometers since I've had it. Cars are for using. I hate to see cars in museums and in private collections covered with shrouds and polished every day. This gets washed twice a year.
Porsche Spyder nima varnostnih pasov in s krhko aluminijasto karoserijo dejansko sodi bolj na dirkališča kot pa odprte vsakdanje ceste. Spredaj je namečena posoda za gorivo, za voznikovim hrbtom pa glasen motor z 270 koniči. 60 let stara šasija je težko kos tako močnemu motorju.
It's very easy to drive up to a certain point and then it becomes somewhat light on the ground. As I said to you earlier, I think that the most comfortable speed for this is about 130, 140. I really feel very uncomfortable if I take it above 140 because the front end starts to feel very light. And you notice no seat belts, no nothing. It's no rollover bar. It's basic. I came close to killing myself when I first was running the car after it had all been restored. I was on a main road and I was driving at about 130 and a seabird, a seagull, came toward me very low and I thought it was going to hit me. So I ducked, and as I ducked I twitched the wheel and I got into a spin that just went, well, it just went on and on and on. I thought, this is going to turn over, this is going to turn around, I'm going to run into something else. But fortunately, I managed to bring it to a standstill.
Toda, ker je to mističen in legendaren avtomobil, ljubiteljem starodobnikom prinaša tudi veliko zadovoljstva, neposrednega stika s cesto in strastjo obvladovanja 60 let stare avtomobilske tehnike. Zato pričakovano tudi David Whita nerad in s smokom v grlu govori o vrednosti svojega lepotca.
Well, to sell a car, any car, you need a buyer and a seller. And I'm not a seller, so it doesn't have a price.
Upokojeni Anglež že 4 leta živi v Orešju pri Bizeljskem, le 2 km od slovensko-hrvaške državne meje. Whita je tam našel spokojnost, mir in lepo naravo. Združil je ljubezen do narave, sonca in kultne avtomobilske tehnike.
I love living here. My dog is a real joy to me, Butchko. He keeps me fit. I'm walking with him every morning, 3-4 kilometers every morning. I have no plan to go back. This is my home. When I go back to England, I'm going on holiday. The only time the peace is shattered is when I start the car and drive it off.
Kultni status in večno slavo je temu Porscheju sicer zagotovil James Dean, a Spyder je obenem tudi spomenik vizionarskemu Porschejevemu pogledu na svet inženiringa. Zgodbo o dveh kultnih ikonah danes, 60 let pozneje, nadaljujejo prav navdušenci, kakršen je David Whita.
Yeah, I still think of myself as a rebel, very much so. I don't think I'd be here if I wasn't a rebel of some sort. All my spare cash goes on cars. But of course, because it's an old timer, the type of racing that's staged here in Slovenia is matching 2 times. So you don't have to break your neck to enjoy and have fun. Which I guess at my age again is a good thing. I'm not 21 anymore, I'm 42. That's a joke. Edit that out.